Well, hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. And today we're going to bring you Cheshire Cat, Beast Kingdoms, Mastercraft, MC-044, Alice in Wonderland, Cheshire Cat. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. Let me give you the dimensions here. Approximately 43 centimeters high by 26 centimeters wide by 36 centimeters long. As big as it is not as heavy as it looks. Two pieces. The base and the body is one piece, and then the tail is another piece. Great paint job. Not as detailed of a character as some of the others, but you know, it is what it is. This is what they came out with in Alice in Wonderland. This is a very great representation of what was represented to us in the film. And sitting in the bushes there, you can see on a bush or a green log, or can't figure out exactly what it is. I'd have to go back and look at the movie to see exactly where this spot is. But nonetheless, a great representation, great paint job, awesome colors for sure. We got 1,688. 3,999 is what it says. Little fingernails. Well, there you go, ladies and gentlemen. Beast Kingdoms, Mastercraft, Alice in Wonderland, Cheshire Cat. Hug someone you love. Peace.